In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stochastic Momentum Index indicators in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the Stochastic Momentum Index, how to add it to your chart, how to remove it, and how to get set up with TradingView Pro using the link in the description. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you're on the charting screen. At the top of the chart, look for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it's one of the main tools you'll use to add technical studies to your charts. Go ahead and click on that. When the Indicators panel opens, you'll see several tabs and categories. From here, you want to click on the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups common technical indicators that traders use for analysis. Opening the Technicals section helps narrow things down so you're not scrolling through everything. Next, look for the search bar inside the Indicators window. This is typically at the top of the panel. Click into that search field so you can type. Rather than scrolling through a long list, using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need. Now, start typing Stochastic Momentum Index. As you type, TradingView will filter the list and show matching indicators. You should see Stochastic Momentum Index appear in the results. When you see it, simply click on it once. That will immediately add the Stochastic Momentum Index to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. Once the indicator is on your chart, you'll see its name and a small settings icon next to it, often represented by a gear symbol. Click on that settings icon. This opens the configuration window where you can adjust things like the length, smoothing, or colors. Even if you're fine with the default settings for now, it's helpful to know where this menu is so you can customize the indicator later as you gain more experience. If at any point you decide you don't want the Stochastic Momentum Index on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. In the same panel where the indicator name appears, click the small X or choose the Remove option. That will cleanly delete the indicator from your chart without affecting anything else. Finally, if you're not yet on TradingView Pro or you want to upgrade, use the link in my description to sign up. That link will take you directly to TradingView's sign up or upgrade page, where you can choose the plan that best fits your trading style and unlock additional features for your indicators and charts.